Hi, I'm Hal Pranger. I'm a branch manager in the NPS Geologic Resources Division, and I'm going to be talking about geologic research in national parks units. So I'll cover who we are and what kinds of research we get involved with, give you a couple of examples of recent research projects, and mention the Scientists in Parks internship program. In the Geologic Resources Division, we have three resource programs: Geologic Heritage, Active Processes and Hazards, and the Energy and Minerals program. But today I'm going to focus on our Paleontology program and our Coastal and Terrestrial Active Processes and Hazards programs. Fossils are found throughout the Park Service in over 280 units of the national parks. You may have seen in the news about 6 weeks ago some research that came from an intern originally at White Sands, where we found 21 to 23,000 year old human footprints, which sets the peopling of Americas back several thousand years. In our Coastal Active Processes and Hazards program, we deal primarily with three kinds of hazards. Hazards from coastal storms, such as hurricanes, Hurricane Sandy, and so on. Hazards from tsunami and hazards from sea level rise due to climate change. We've also partnered with the Naval Academy to study shoreline changes and how that impacts cultural resources near the shoreline of Lake Yellowstone. In our Terrestrial Active Processes and Hazards program, we deal primarily with the impacts to roads and trail corridors and human life from landslides, rockfalls, and debris flows. But I want to mention a massive event that happened in Wrangell-St. Elias National Park in 2015, where a large landslide splashed into the head of a fjord and created a nearly 200-meter high wave that went down fjord. Fortunately, nobody was there to witness. Finally, we have a Scientists in Parks internship program. Interns from all over the country travel all over the country to do all kinds of geologic research. Currently, we place around 200 interns per year, and these are 3 to 12-month paid positions. Finally, there are a number of laws and policies that apply to NPS research. For example, specific locations of fossils, caves, and other important features generally must be excluded from publications. It can make the research process a bit slower, but it's worth it. If you want to find out more about the Geologic Resources Division, please look at these websites. And thank you very much.